Hello and welcome to another 30-second tech tip. Today, it's our second installment of data. So we got that star data coming in. We learned how to go view freeze to get our rows and our columns frozen, so those are locked in place. But now I want to talk color coding. How can we organize this in colors so that it's easy to read and I can instantly know where my kids are at? So how do we do that? Well, if you highlight, click and drag down, and I drag all the way to the bottom of your list. Whoa, it just keeps going. Whoa, this is a longer list than I remembered. There we go, drag all the way to the bottom. And then if I right click into that selected area, I can go to conditional formatting. In my conditional formatting here, you'll see that it's from E2 all the way to E116. I'm going to format the cells if, and I'm going to go with greater than. So I'm going to look at my star data, and if I look at mine for my grade, I know that my star data says that if it is greater than 79, they are doing very, very well, and they are right where they need to be in green. I also know that if they are not greater than 79, that they are struggling a little bit. So I'm going to add another rule. So add another rule, greater than, and I know that they're greater than 25. They're in that needs help range. So I'm going to go ahead and color those yellow. So they're a little behind there, and you'll see it instantly jumps to the color I want. And then my very last one, if they're below 25, then we're going to put greater than, and I always do 0. If they are greater than 0, then they are red. So now I'm done, and I'll go ahead and click, and I'll go to the top where I actually modified numbers up here. And you can see student 1 is in that low range. Student 2 is in that very low, needing lots of help range. And so very instantly I can see their scores because everything is coordinated. 79 or higher, green, 25 or higher, yellow, greater than 0, red. So I'm going to X that out and show you on my chart. Everything is nice and easy to see there. So it does the whole row nice and easy for your whole column. How did I get that? Again, highlight all of your data. Highlight all of your data. Right click. You may have to scroll down depending where you clicked. Conditional formatting. Go ahead and format it based on, I always did greater than. You can certainly do less than or equal to, whatever works for you. And then put in your value and choose your fill in color, and it will fill in that color for you. So that's how I organize my data. After every test, I plug it in really fast, and it's always there for me. Hopefully this is something that you may use to help yourself stay organized and become more efficient as you do groups for reading and math. I hope you enjoyed our conditional formatting